In this video, we will review the contents of the livingskin impression kit, which includes everything you need to create an impression for a livingskin prosthetic device. Inside, you will find detailed instructions which you can reference in addition to the video tutorials if you have any questions. A labeled shipping bag for return of the impressions to livingskin. Materials for taking impressions also include nitrile gloves to keep yourself and the customer clean, a wristband which is used to achieve appropriate coverage, a disposable work mat for easy cleanup, tongue depressors for mixing and catalyzing impression material, petroleum jelly which acts as a mold release, an apron to keep the customer clean, and a container opener for the jars of impression material. Included is enough unactivated impression material and catalyst pre-measured in the correct ratios. One large jar of impression material to one small bottle of catalyst. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to receiving your customers' impressions and working with you. If you have any questions, please contact Livingskin.